Okay, today I am going to be showing you how to use Excel, just the basics. This is a great tool for if you're working on My Math Labs or anything like that at home homework, or if you're allowed computers in class. This would be a good program to use as a calculator or to type in functions to do kind of algorithms or find the average of things or the means. Um, there's so many things. So what I did first is I went and I clicked on the icon found in my Launchpad on my Mac and pulled up Excel. And so then what I'll do next is I click on um, the blank workbook. You can do any of these other ones, but this is kind of what I'm using um, for my math, for like a calculator or using different functions. So I'll shrink this up here real quick. Okay, so these are cells. We have the columns and we have the rows. This is the home bar. We can change our font, our size, same thing as in Microsoft Word. Um, and then we have inserts. We could do graphs with the data that we have in here, page layout. We could change orientation on the page. Formulas is kind of what we're going to dive into a little bit. But this is like, pre-made formulas. And then data is working with the data to get it graphed and everything. And then the review, we can just go through and check spelling, check all our all our all our sections to make sure they're all in sync and they're all working. So going back to what I said as a calculator kind of thing, what I have here is I had already kind of typed up one, just a little bit of information on it. So I typed in 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4 here in these boxes, and I went into this box number 1, and you always have to do an equal sign for an equation, so I typed an equal sign, and then typed average because that's how you pull up these functions, and then I clicked on this 1 and dragged it to the 4, and then I push enter, and it gives you the average of these numbers. Now, you can also do like equations like this. I have equals 8 times 4. Um, that's really good to do because it's as quick as 1, 2, 3, and I can always just go in here and click here and change that however I want to. And I can do either one of them. You can do division and all kinds of things. And now if you're needing if you like even wanting round numbers, um, I can make my decimals. I can add more decimals. I can make it less. I can make it percentages, cash. You can do so many things with Excel, and this is a very good thing to use in math.